What are directions? Directions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ABC. Do this first, do this second, do this third. It's really, really, really simple. There is no equivocation. There is no, maybe you could do this, maybe you could do that. It's do this, and then this, and then this. Okay, it's really, really simple. Okay. Who are the types of people and how do you use it? The types of people who want directions, not always, but frequently, are they're a bit confused, okay? So they know what they want, but they don't know how to get it. So I'm going to use a silly example. I'm going to say, I want to be fit. How the flip do I do that? Now, there are 73 million. If I typed how to be fit on Google, I wouldn't, because that would be really hilarious. And then Google would start sending me ads for fitness. Anyway, there would be 73 million different ways of doing it. Diets, exercise, retreats, 73 million different ways, right? How do I get fit? I only want to know how. I don't want you to give me 73 million ways. I want you to tell me your way. What's the first step I need to do? Boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I know what I want. I'm very, very clear, but I need to know what are the steps. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I want these instructions. I don't want complication. I want simple steps. So I'm confused, but I know what I want. I just don't know how to get it. And I want to be equipped. I want this information so that I can go and bloody do it. So tell me, I need to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and do 15 minutes of high intensity exercise. Anyway, tell me what I need to do and tell me what those exercises are, and then tell me what I need to eat in the day. That's what this is the directions type asset. Okay. No detours, no chatting about grass-fed cows, whatever it is. No chatting. Tell me, buy this from this shop, do this, do this. It's very, very simple, very directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ABC, okay? This is a direction type asset, and it's for people who are confused. They want the instructions so that they know what to do next. Okay, what type of directions type assets can you make? One of them is a great one, which is courses. So you can give step-by-step instructions. They can be video, they can be email, they can be in person, but you tell them, well, today we're going to do this, tomorrow we're going to do this, next do this. I mean, I'm simplifying and exaggerating it, but this is the simplest way of doing it. So 1, 2, 3, ABC. Could be workshops, people in groups. You can have a membership of people. You drip feed the information in the right order.